Hello, and welcome to How to Get Started with Zoom. You may not know it, but Zoom is a secure, reliable video platform that powers all of your communication needs, including meetings, chats, phone, webinars, and online events. You may already have an account set up or need to set up an account. Either way, we can get you started. Let's go to zoom.us to get started. In the top right corner, you will see Sign In or Sign Up for Free. If you need an account, you can click on Sign Up for Free. If you need an account, you can fill out the information asked, and then you can use your email or any of the sign-ins with the apps below. If you use the sign-in with apps, you will use that to sign in every time. If you have an account, go ahead and sign in how you did when the account was created. I use Google to sign in, so I will click on the Google app and select my email address to log myself in. I'm using the free version, but can upgrade if want for personal or business if I desire. On the home page, you can see upcoming meetings, previous meetings, and meeting templates. On the upcoming, you can schedule meetings or start meetings you already had scheduled. Along the side, you see where you can change or update your profile, go back to meetings, host webinars, make phone calls, if you have that feature, upload personal contacts, create whiteboards for meetings, find recordings of meetings that you've had, and of course, change any of your settings to help keep meetings secure and or allow to use different tools during meetings such as recording, mics, videos, waiting rooms, and other apps. So let's look quickly at settings. Click on the settings. You will see all of the tabs from meetings, recordings, audio conferencing, collaborative devices, Zoom apps, and of course, whiteboards. Here is where you can adjust different items. Some you may or may not be able to change depending on administrative rules. Most of the settings are already put for recommendations, but can change if you prefer not to have them set like that. Once you've adjusted your settings, let's take a look at how to schedule a meeting. So we're going to go back to Meetings. We're going to click on Schedule a Meeting. You then can give your meeting a topic, add a description if you want, as well as when and how long the meeting will be. If you're using the free version, meetings can only be 40 minutes max, but if using paid, they can be as long as you need. Make sure to set the correct time zone for your area if it is not already selected. You can check it if it will be a reoccurring meeting and how often it will repeat. If you have a template, you can always check a template. Then you can decide if you want a video on or off for your guest. You can also look at other options and check them if you would like them to occur. Then save. Now you can invite people to the meeting by sending the invite link to who you want to come, or placing a different calendars for those in your organization that should attend. So here's your copy your invitation invite. You can email that, text it, or put it to any of the calendars up here in the above, and then send it out to them that way. But this link right here is the only thing you will need to invite people. When it is time for your meeting, just click the start and the Zoom will launch the new tab asking if you want to open zoom.us, and of course click on Open Zoom app. And if you have the Zoom app or the client browsing downloaded, you will then be asked to join audio and click or join the computer audio. Now you're ready to have your meeting. You have lots of tools you can use, but we'll go over those in another training. So to end your meeting, all you're going to do is go to click End, and you can click Leave Meeting or End Meeting for all. I hope you found this helpful, and we'll be back later with some more Zoom tips.